Welcome back. Sorry for the delay. We had a small glitch here where I realized this product was the wrong product and I fixed it. So I had to edit things a little so we could do the next part. And here's the next part. We've got this molecule, or I drew it. And I want to do the mechanism for the top carboxylic acid only.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
All right, so we got thionyl chloride and pyridine. Some review reactions get reviewed a lot. And don't do the bottom carboxylic acid. Yeah, they're both going to happen. And I don't want you doing it twice. So scribbling by H. There we go. Pyridine has a lone pair. Normally we'd have the OH attack the sulfur, but this is a carboxylic acid. So even pyridine can take this H off, even though it couldn't do so with an alcohol. So step one, we still have our red comment at the top, so I don't have to reproduce red first, blue second. Next step, the lone pair on the O attacks the sulfur. The pi bond becomes lone pair, and new comment, purple third. Lone pair comes back. Lone pair comes back. Make sure it starts on the lone pair. Wow. Start over. Lone pair comes back, makes new pi. Cl minus gets kicked off. Make sure that starts in the middle of that bond. Yes. Okay. And we're generating a whole bunch of stuff. Oh, the R. What was the R again? I never had the. I have to redo my R. Yeah. Edited, but I didn't finish. Oh. Can't get rid of mechanism arrows. There we go. That's R. R, carbonyl, O is attached to sulfur. Double bond, Cl. We generated a Cl minus as well. Cl minus attacks. Pi becomes lone pair. Lone pair resonates back. This resonates in. This resonates to O minus. O minus resonates back. A little seesaw action going here. And all the products you need are there. I know it's a 7-point mechanism, but remember, you did 3 steps here and 3 here. There's a lot of intermediates we didn't have to draw as long as we're carefully labeling our color scheme. Okay, so there you go. That's that one. Acid halide here. And I didn't bother changing after that because I had R groups and they don't match our other R group, but it doesn't matter because the R group doesn't change all the way through here. So let's just roll. Yeah, chapter 18 review. It's all linked, people. There's only one topic. It's called organic chemistry. Chapter 18, making an amide from an acid halide. I think we're all pretty good at this one. Once again, on your exam, you only have to do this one time on the exam, but I don't take any chances when I'm doing these lectures because I want it to be very clear that you got to show me when you're using 2 colors and what they mean. All right, we got red first. And lone pair comes back. Takes off Cl minus. And we have an amide conjugate acid coming up. Probably could have worked a third arrow in there, third set of arrows. You don't have to. And we got a boo and an isopentyl and a plus. And you can use the Cl minus or another amine. If I wanted to use another amine, I'd have to draw it. That's a pretty big amine. I don't want to draw it. There you go. How do you like that? Good logic. If I said excess amine, I would prefer to use the amine here. But I didn't even say it, did I? Use what you got. There you go. Time for reduction of an amide. And I'll just do another R here for the isopentyl. New question, we can just call it, no, we already have an R though. We can call it R prime. We already have an R over here. And what's happening here is same first step every time for aluminum hydride ion. You got to generate hydride. Show me the hydride. It is a carbonyl attacker. And in this case, it would probably be best if you showed the aluminum side product because you're going to need it for another reduction later. But you can't do a reduction until it's Al minus again, which it's going to be right now. H minus attacks carbonyl. Sigma breaks, makes a fourth bond to aluminum. Sorry, sigma, that was a pi. Pi breaks, makes a fourth bond to aluminum. And we have R bond to CH2CO aluminum. With two H's there and a third one there and a minus charge there. That's going to be hopping off in the next step. We also have our amine, a new H. I'm going to show my new H. We got a boo, we got an R prime. There you go. And hydride's leaving. Nitrogen's kicking off the O minus. We've seen that before. Today we saw it kicking off an O minus. Pushy lone pair on nitrogen. Boo's almost not worth a short form. So you're almost there. And you made your H minus. I'm not even gonna show the other side product. It's the aluminum with the O minus. I don't need it. And that gets you your reduced amine, tertiary amine. Here's an exhaustive methylation coming up that will not tire you out very much because the reason why it's only 1 point, 2 arrows get you 1 point. Back, stack, stack, leaving group leads, end of story. And we're setting up for a Hoffman elimination on the next page. So that'll be part F, I'm pretty sure. Let's call this a video. I'll be back soon.